Hello guys, welcome to this video. And today's video is going to be really short. So what we're going to talk about in this video is what is an ID in Python. ID just tend to grab the memory address of your variable name. We can get a variable name from its value. Unlike some other programming language, Python treats variables as label pointing to object in memory, not as name storage location. This means multiple variables can reference the same value. Because of this, getting a variable name from its value isn't straightforward. We can get multiple variables can holding the same value is going to have the same ID. So let's do that. Let's do example. Let's say I have X and I gave it. Let's say I print ID of, I'm still get the ID of X. This is going to give me the memory address of this variable. You can say I got 7564. If I change it to 9, you can say I got different memory address. But what happened when I created Y? And I guess I gave it something like 7. Let me say ID Y. One is going to be, the first one is going to be for that of X. Second one is going to be for that of Y. Can see different address. Can see so 102, one and this one end with 1096 end with 160. But what if they are of the same value? The X and Y are the same value. Let me change this to 9. We can see they are of the same ID. So that's how Python basically stores it. Like I said, they treat variable as label pointing to object in a memory. This means multiple variables can reference the same value. So because of this, getting variable name isn't straightforward when it comes to Python. So this is basically what I want us to cover. This is not really useful. I didn't like that. So I think I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.